Hello, today we are going to take a look at a simple neural network and a convolution neural network. So basically going to visualize how these parameters and these different types of network can affect the accuracy. For this, I have two neural networks, SNN, CNN, and then I'm also using two different optimizers, Adam and HED. We have some parameters which we can change, like the batch size and epoch. And we have a few data sets. So the MNIST is which shows numbers, and the Fashion-MNIST is which shows some fashion data. sci-fi has collection of different 10 types of data, cars, flowers, and everything. And flowers is another different type of data set. So let's begin with the MNIST. This is known to have like really the simplest way of working. So if I click on, now I've selected simple neural network, Adam, and the batch size is larger. So in the epoch, you can currently see the status, so how many batches being completed. So this is going to be 1 of 5. And in the current processing, you can actually visualize which number this is. So for example, this is 8, 5, and the corresponding prediction. So it usually turns out to be pretty quick. Like in the second epoch, you can see it is really good. So 95% of accuracy. And let me refresh again, or actually let's change the parameter. Let's just go to convolution, where I have a selection of a kernel size. So here we are using 16, 32, and 64, 3 layers. We can choose a different optimizer. I'll keep this batch 1000, epochs, I'll keep it to 2. And this final accuracy over here seems to be like at epoch 5 looks like 97.5 about. For the same data set, and actually somewhere at 2 it was epoch 2 it was about 94. Let's just run it for a CNN and let's see how the data looks like. So currently at the epoch and with lower data set, we are seeing really bad progression. The accuracy is getting better, but let's see what happens with epoch 2. Yeah, so now we're able to achieve approximately the same accuracy. Let's say if I just increase the epoch to maybe 5, and let's take a look what happens here. So again, at epoch 2 with CNN on, we are able to see about 95%. And let's take a look at 3. 3 is about 96. With 4, we are slightly above 97.5. Well, again, this is really a well-known data set. The accuracies, they tend to look pretty good normally. What I'll be doing is actually change the data set to something like sci-fi. Let's see what happens. And to my knowledge, sci-fi has about sci-fi has about 6,000 images per class. So I'll be reducing the set of batch over here. Let's go 1,000. I think that's fine. Let's take a look what happens with sci-fi. In the first epoch, we could see that the losses were higher here, but now the accuracy is getting better with every next iteration. So we're looking at 50. I think if we just run a little larger number or maybe lower the batch size, we are able to achieve a little more. So I'm changing the epoch count to 10, and let's go for a little high one. Let's take a look. So right now we are somewhere around the benchmark of 60% accuracy. And you can see these are little different types of images. Here after 10 epochs, we can see that it's about 70%. Let's try to change the optimizer to Adam. And let's run it again. At this point, we're able to see about 75%. I'm going to increase the training to 15. Here you see it's marginal, 80%. That's interesting. So let's just run this with the simple neural network. So now with SGD, we are able to see something around like a simple neural network with SGD. That's pretty lossy. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.